Latest matter from Break and Pay Pastor. How many of you remember that man? My people in matter don't reach me. Or my people, I say this man for in church, they too they vex and they too they provoke him. The man no even that man, he they vex back to back. And as the thing they do, and that's why they release him. He no get time to they check who he offend, who he no offend. Now he don't come outside. According to that, I say women will not submit to their husband, but they submit to their pastor. Say they be hypocrites. Chai! Abeg, when are they increase this volume so that these people go hear aloud? I no one here say people from the back no hear where people from increase am ahead. I don't say to now. Very good, my people. For now, we no Break and Pay Pastor. Join me, make we watch the video.
Who do not submit to their husbands at home but submit to their pastors are hypocrites. Go to church, you say, Daddy. Who is your daddy? Who is your daddy? Daddy. You are bowing down to greet your pastor. You have never bowed down to greet your husband. You are a hypocrite.
Hey, una hear am? No, nah. The volume they okay because if una no hear am, I need play this video back. Isn't a daddy. Not true. Daddy. Your father lost. You don't know where your papa dey. You go dey call pastor daddy. You go church, you call pastor daddy. But when you dey house, you dey call your husband papa ndubem. You no even feel dey romantic. You no even feel dey sweet. At least make your husband feel say this one. See, no be me talk am. No be this pastor self talk am. E dey your Bible. Women, abi wives, submit to your husband. E dey there. English no be my language. No be me write am. So for una wey no say una belong to this category wey this man dey talk about. If una no change, na be say okay, many of una sef maybe if e dey possible say una don marry. If you know say you dey single, you no get this submissive spirit. You no sabi submit. My sister, get ready because you are about to be single for the rest of your life. No man want another man for a house. No, my fellow brothers, what are they? You want another man as wife for your house? Where if you talk one, wife don't talk 10. No, nah, nobody want that. So every woman suppose they submissive. Some women, they go carry pastor for their head. Like say na gongoni pot. They go carry for public. Daddy. Go see them for their house. How they treat their husband. Now there you go know the real. What happen? Person just tell me say feminists don't live. They don't work out come on. If una lie, make una go. I don't bring this matter. I don't bring it. And I hope say una hear am. Because feminists, they sabi run mouth. We cannot submit to anybody. We are independent. Now like this, they go for una. Now why una even they single up till now? Nobody say make you no call your pastor daddy. Nobody say make you no respect your pastor. But make you balance am. Give to Caesar what is for Caesar and to God what is for God. It's still the Bible. No be the one way you go call here, you behave like this, you go there, you behave. Balance the equation, make everybody. You understand? Even if the pastor na your age mate or na your friend, no call am daddy, but still because of that position, you need give am that respect. It is very, very important. See, women, at any time they call na matter because it is very, very important. Men they old though, but now we the old quick pass. You understand? The age where women they reach men up, some men still feel shoot. So una suppose bring una guard down. No too pride in yourself. You don't go carry you go anywhere. No be me talking now. This man don't come outside, can't talk. And now all the men don't they come outside, they shout louder. No tell me louder anything. See, for the first thing they talk say women should submit. Submission no be slavery. The only of una now go come to confuse the thing. Come do this one. Submission no be slavery. No come turn your wife to slave. You understand? Make we learn and well. They very, very important. I like this man. This man, if they give her back. You know, even they look with your color, your height, who you be, how much you put. And I like this, it's supposed they. Pastors, you are not supposed fear to they talk to your congregation or your members. Because now God put there. If you are not talk that day, you go stand before God. God go ask you, how come that day I tell you, make you tell them this thing, you not tell them. No be from my mouth, you go hear them. My people, no be small fight, they shell for Nigeria. Hi, Chineke. We no go die young for this country. If una see where woman they fight conductor, anyhow, for una wey no be Nigerians, my fellow Ghanaians, the conductors they call them mates for Nigeria. Now understand? See fight. The woman enter bus with trotro. Sorry, una dey call her trotro. The woman enter trotro abi bus with 6 children. 6 plus her 7. Can't see problem. Now the mate, I be the conductor come tell her say, madam, you no fit sit down here with all these children. If una no go sit down one by one. The woman say no, she wan pay for 2 seats. How you go pay for 2 seats? 7 people. Chineke. Now there wahala start. This if una see slap with this woman just dey dash this conductor. My people, I beg una never see when Nigerians they fight. I don't bring her today. So Biko, join me, make we watch the video. They swear for some women. They ask, they swear for some women because I don't just understand again. How you go born 6 children, still you dey enter bus? Una go talk say no be my business. No be me carry them. I know, but I beg, no enter bus come dey inconvenience people. No be my business, but you dey inconvenience other people. Instead of 6 children where you go born, why you no turn that thing, change them into 6 figures for your account? If they tell una something, una no dey hear. See, women, if you never get correct assets or better money for your account, no rush enter marriage. No rush enter marriage. Because some of una go just dey rush unnecessarily. Plan your life. You suppose live a way, whether husband dey or you no dey, your children no go dey hungry. If you dey depend on man, okay, what if you marry now, they can't sack you from the house? You go come outside now, social media, everybody come, they send you 5,000. We donate spam inside your body. Una no wan help una self. Yet, if person no gree help you, una go come turn the person to devil. See, everybody get wetin they go through. Even mate, conductor, they get their own problem too. No come bring your own, go add on top their body. Now in business they do. If he tell you say you no gree, why you dey fight am? The woman no even gree get down. He slap. Waiting. And some women now don't notice this thing for una body. If una see say plenty people dey for public, wey man dey try fight you, una go dey do like say una carry power pass because una know say no how when fight don start, they go come separate una. E get one way you go do. Nobody go come help you. Na there your eye go open. Wow. Make una learn to dey respect una self. No dey slap men anyhow for public. E go rest on her eye. I know why they tell una this because me I been there like that before. Me fighter gone. No even try am. If man don't start like this, I go even remove slippers, raise my skirt. Serious fight. But I don't see my people. My mouth don't swell up too much. Today na eye, tomorrow. You know they pay. You know they help. I've been there. So now what they tell now? It is very serious. 6 children. Hey. So now this woman they try to tell us say people will get 3, people will get 2 or 4. They know sabi wetin they want for this life. They bury. Everybody they plan. See, if you like get 12, if you like get 11, my own be say, buy bus for your family. They drive them. No come they enter. See, my people, it get the one way happen to me. That day I won't die. See this woman enter trotro, Chineke, with 4 children, 3 wey dey walk, those ones dey already dey walk, 1 she back 1 inside bus. Come see me wey I don dress fine, I dey go see my boyfriend. Na so the dirty dey match my slippers. Hey Chineke, wetin I go do sef? Na so I go just dey look. The thing go pepper me. Some of them sef they go enter bus with 3 children, they go come dey beg you, help me carry one na, help me. Abeg wetin happen? I no go take this thing again o. I no go take am again because una don too overdo am. Plan for your life. Abeg, no, see, nobody follow you come this world o. I no understand. Anyhow, my people, no look my face like that. Now just the matter they make me dey. You understand? I dey here for una. Meanwhile, another interesting matter dey here. Lagos just dey get interesting day by day. Every day for Lagos na new. In fact, na new cruise they catch. If una see evangelists, this ones they say they preach. Una know all those people wey una dey see for road. Some of them go set speakers, some of them hair and them where they preach for roadside. If una see where these people they fight for place where they go stand, if they say that place they pay them pass. You understand? You know say get some corners where if you stand there they preach, everybody where they pass will just they drop something. Now so these two come they fight. Hey, now my post, no be my post. Even the woman they call the man a shower evangelist. Abe for now we never know wetin dey shele. Biko, join me, make we watch the video.
Idiot! I shall preach over there, no let me say. Help churches to take a seat. Angel will come down. And he said, what is?
I beg. Hey, Chineke. I wish say they fit put Nigeria inside Netflix. I swear we go sell. Oh. But if una ask me, this thing now where we just watch, me I know they see preaching here. Now hustle. Everybody they fight for their pockets. Me I know they see any preaching for this place. Hey, women. This woman a red belt champion. The one that they say like this. Forget her. See how she dey fight. She even come out her hair tie for her waist. Say today na today. Charlie. See, these two people, they be the definition of the violence shall take it by force. When I remember that part for the Bible, now these ones be that. Say today na today. Now we know how this woman they beat her husband for house. Now like this, so you no go know. Men, see, before you marry woman, go deep, search, check. In fact, all the checkings where you fit check them. Before you go marry person where go they beat you inside your own house on top bride price where you pay. Chineke. Nigeria sweet past Netflix. Forget them. Nigeria now we be the real cruise where they happen now. Jesus Christ. If you like say this woman, no. This woman, her matter even reach me before. I dey tell una something. It dey very her matter reach me. People don't they tell me say Madam Aproko, if you see where this woman they cause people, they say if you just they pass like this, now so this woman will just stand. See her, a shower. Now why should they call that man a shower now? Prostitute. He dey her body, any small thing. They say you no go even do anything on her, so you go just the pass, the woman go just start to insult you. Which kind of word of God they share like this? This kind of word, now even they make Christianity hard for people because I don't even just understand again. Where will they stand? Tomorrow now, when I go they call them mommy and daddy in the Lord. Which Lord? No, which Lord? Hey. My people, last, politicians not be the only problem where we get for Nigeria. Last, see them. They follow for all the bundle of problem when Nigeria get, they follow up. Disgrace everywhere. So I don't even know churches where they attend. I mean, if you know their churches right and there, because I need to call their general overseer. Disgrace to their churches, disgrace to their family, and these ones now they get children where they watch them. See, I don't come give una my last warning. All of una when no see una they use God work, do business. Judgment time, una go face God. Now the only thing wey me have to talk. see wetin dey happen now. Na why people outside dey laugh una finish. Abeg my people, not be only me go laugh. Now I say make I bring this one, so I still want to know wetin una think concerning these people. Drop am for the comment section and make sure say you share this video, because this woman, she must hear me. Maybe the next fight na me and her. You understand? Yes, my people, subscribe if you never subscribe. It is very, very important. And click on that bell, that small bell wey dey that corner. Yes, click am so that anytime we drop hot videos, you go dey notified. Don't go far. I'll see you later.